this when we went out
The one that said, Riley, come here, Riley. The one I'm standing right across from her.
So she's sitting on your lap, but she coming to my house to see me. Alright.
we got a little something to tell
Okay.
Okay.
This bitch thirsty for real.
This bitch stank. Okay.
I don't remember what she smelled like, but she said she stank.
What? She stank.
What? She stank.
She stank.
She stank.
She stank. What? She smell like fish. Huh?
Fish?
She smell like fish. She
Fish?
smell like fish. She
Fish?
smell like fish.
Yo, then I know this girl Naya trying to hit me up, but she hit my brother fire. Say, I don't care cause this bitch is a liar. Said she only want me, but she on my tire. Say, on my clothes, on my swag, I diddy bop. Bitch smell like fish, nigga, so I gotta hit her out. It's like I hit her with the stiff arm, nigga. Then I throw some soap at her tushy, my nigga. Wipe your ass with the soap, it smell like fish. Your ass fucking stink, man, it smell like chips. So know what that means, need a bad bitch. And your ass is stank real bad, so ain't shit. Sorry, man, fucked up, I don't like this. I do not like this. Hold up. Y'all just want to do it over? Just keep spitting? I'm about to just find something else, because we got down.
Hey, bruh, that's too hard though.
You did?
Yeah.
I don't like it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who?
She like my swag.
What?
She like my haircut.
Huh?
It's like I'm lying cause my nigga's hair fucked up.
Huh?
I gotta let it grow out to it dread up. And these niggas looking scared cause I'm fed up. I'm about to get this fucking choppers. Niggas think I'm fucking writing. Nah, nigga, off the top of my head's how I'm writing. Nigga trying to spark up. Nigga get them blunts up. If you talking about them pistols, nigga get your chopper up. See this bitch just hit me up. You can hear this shit, bruh. I'm just freestyling, free wilding on this shit, bruh. This about to be on YouTube. Go ahead, hit me up, bruh. If you sign me, nigga, I'm about to get my bread up. Niggas about to make sure my niggas all straight, bruh. Man, you about to dip, so my niggas fucking out, bruh. Sorry, I get at you, bruh. Oh, you out too?
Hey, bro, let's redo that shit.
You trying to redo it? Which one?
You want Theo to redo the first part and then do that?
It's whatever.
Trying to redo the first part and we did it.